How to fix black screen in Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you fix black screen issue in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First, as you have to just close the Chrome application completely. Simply after that, restart your device. After you restart your device, your problem should be fixed with the clearation of temporary glitches. If you not solve it, simply update Chrome, open the App Store or Play Store. After here, search for the application Chrome. Now from here, if you find any update, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of Chrome, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, clear the Chrome cache. For that, simply open settings. From settings, tap on general. And from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, find out the application Chrome. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. After you uploaded the Chrome, simply tap on reinstall. After you reinstall and clear the cache of Chrome, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to just check your iOS or software update. Simply after you assure that, check your VPN or proxy connection. If you have enabled it, simply you'll have to turn off that. For iPhone, you can check under the section general for VPN and device management. From here, make sure you are not connected to any VPN or proxy. At last, you can try to reinstall the Chrome. If you are not solving that, simply delete and uninstall that and reinstall again from the App Store. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, at last, simply you can reset all of the network settings for your device. For that, from the general section, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on reset. And from here, tap on reset network settings. From here, confirm with your iPhone passcode. After that, tap on reset network settings. After you reset network settings for your device, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.